Hello friends, welcome to Gone Traders Hub channel. Let's start our stock analysis for tomorrow, 8th of February 2021. Let's start with the Nifty. This is the Nifty weekly chart. This is a spot chart. So I have projected the Fibonacci extension in the weekly chart. So we are getting around 2.618 retracement, 15,032.2 and also I projected the previous fall with the extension. So we are getting 15,470.7 as a 1.618 retracement. These two levels act as a strong resistance as of now. So if it is crossing above 15,032.2, we may see the next resistance of 15,470 level. So but it is 15,032 itself. It's a very crucial resistance for us. Let's see what will happen tomorrow, if it is sustained above or not. Okay, so that we move to 5-minute chart, so we get a good idea for intraday levels. So intraday tomorrow above 15,008. This is the Nifty future chart. Since for trading we use the Nifty future levels for entries, and for the positional purpose we use the Nifty spot, so that we get a very good overview about the market in the long run. So above 15,008 we may see 15,070, 15,130 level here. Both the dynamic and the dynamic level, also our square number is coinciding, so this acts as a strong resistance for tomorrow. If it is sustained above, we may see 15,252 level. So this is a crucial level for tomorrow, 15,130 level for us. So suppose if the Nifty is not crossing the yesterday high and want to go down, and if it is breaching the lower side 14,866, we may see first a target of 14,815 to 14,825 level, and the next target of 14,762 level. This acts as a strong support for tomorrow. Next is Bank Nifty. I have drawn the weekly rising trend line for the resistance. This resistance is already breached, and I also drawn another trend line for the rising trend line. So, and also I projected the Fibonacci levels. So in the Fibonacci level, when I see we have a resistance around 35,400 level, the Bank Nifty is already closed above it. So if the high of this weekly candle is breached, then we may see the target of around 39,700 to 800 level. If this trend line is breached, then we may see the next target of 44,650 level. This is the longer perspective of the Bank Nifty. Let's go to 5 minutes. So I taken 3 minutes for there is a swing in the market. So what we can expect tomorrow, 35,990 level, we may see 36,100 and 36,481 level for Bank Nifty. So if it is a breach in the lower side, 35,527 level, we may see 35,344, and this is the trend line, both are coinciding, and also there is a gap here. If it is filling, this acts as a strong support for the Bank Nifty. If it is breaching, then we may see 34,969 level for tomorrow. Let's move to stocks. I have shortlisted Cipla, Kotak Bank, JSW Steel, Tata Steel, Indus Tower, Sun TV for the long side. For the short side, I have Colgate-Palmolive, Dabur, Gail, HCL Tech, Tech Mahindra, and Muthoot Finance. Let's go through one by one. I have, if you see the Cipla above 856.5 level, and it's also closed above the reference price and also the square number 841. So weekly closing above the square number, odd square, is very good sign for the stock. So above 856.5, we may see 870.5, 874 and 899 level for tomorrow. So next stock is Kotak Bank. Kotak Bank, it is moved in the morning, and it is consolidating near to the midpoint 1980.5 for the long duration. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 1998.5, we can see immediate target of 2025. Here both our dynamic level and the square number is coinciding, this acts as a strong resistance. If it is breaching this level, we may see 2048 and 2070 level. This is a very remote chance, but we also mark these levels. The next stock is JSW Steel. JSW Steel, it is closed above the square number 400 and also above the reference price 399.35. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 406.6, we can see 409 and 420 level for tomorrow, and 415. We can mark middle level of 415 also. The next stock is Tata Steel. Tata Steel, it is given a wonderful rally and it's also closed above the rising trend line, and it is not ready to close below it. It taken a last 5 minutes candle, also taken a supported boost. So what we can expect tomorrow, above 690.6, we can see in 696 and 702.5 level. If sustained above, if make any swing here and breaching the higher side, we may see 709 level and also we 729. This acts as a strong resistance for the stock since it's a odd square. The next stock is Indus Tower. Indus Tower, it is taking the resistance with the square number 256, but in the daily chart it is showing the very good strength. So my expectation is tomorrow above 256.5, we can see 260.5 and 268 level for tomorrow. The next stock is Sun TV. Sun TV, in the daily chart it's showing very good sign for the bullishness, and there is a breakout also in the market. So what we can see above, if it is breaching the high of this 561.15, then the buying is confirmed in the daily chart. So what we can expect tomorrow in the 5-minute chart also in intraday, above 561.15, we can see 570.5, 576 level. This acts as a strong resistance. If suppose sustain above and making another swing here, we may see 582 level for Sun TV. And in the positional run, it may 600.5 act as a resistance. If sustained above, we can see further. Since the stock is fallen from 1000 or 1100 level, so there's a good chance this stock may run during this bull run. The next stock is Colpal for the short side. Colpal, it is unable to sustain above 1600 and closed below the reference price 1597.85, and it's a weekly closing below is a bearish sign for the stock. So my expectation is below 1585, we can see 1577 and 1560 level for Colpal. The next stock is Dabur. Dabur again, it is taken the resistance from the square number 529 and it is closed, it broken the swing lower side, and there's a pullback rally, but it is unable to cross this level on Friday. So what we can expect, below 517.8, we can see 520, 510.4 and 506.5 level. The next stock is Gale. Gale also not unable to withstand above the reference price 129.45, and the daily chart also weak. So we can see below 127.5, we can see 125.5 and 121 level for 121 act as a strong support since this is the 11 square. So the next stock is HCL Tech. HCL Tech weekly close below the square number 961, so this means the stock is weak for the week. You can say weak, but if the low is breaching, then the stock is weak. So below 940.05, we can see 930.5, 917 level for HCL Tech. Same way, the Tech Mahindra, it is consolidating near the square number 961 and unable to close above the square number and also the reference price, it's both are coinciding. So below 955 we can see 945 and 930.5 level. This act as a strong support level for this stock. So next stock is Muthoot Finance. Muthoot Finance it given a rally but unable to sustainable the midpoint and closed below the our reference price and the long consolidation near to the reference price. So and it is taken a support around the square number 1156. It is this stock is hovering around this level long duration. So if it is breaking the lower side 1155.5, we can see 1146, 1130 and 1122.5 level. This acts as a support for this stock. That's all friends for tomorrow. There are too many stocks I have shortlisted, but if we speak it will take too much time, and moreover it is not useful for us for intraday. That's what I limited to 10 stocks. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my video and it is useful for your trading, please like, subscribe and share to your friends. If you made profits, please comment on the comment section. Thank you friends. Thanks for your time. Bye.